Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy. I'm going to do a little update video for you. I've got a bit of an announcement and just a few things to show you my whips. Firstly, I've got the lovely Glenda from Creative Grandma and I are doing a yarn swap. And the other day when I posted off my prizes to my giveaway winners, I also posted a big box of yarn off to her. And she's posted one to me, so I can't wait to receive that because, you know, I've been coveting those yarns that you get over in the States for quite some time. So, and I've sent her a good selection of the yarns we get over here. So I'm really looking forward to that. It's quite exciting, but she's been brilliant actually. She's if I'm sure you all know Glenda, but if you don't, she has a brilliant channel. Some really lovely tutorials. She's got excuse me. She's got a lovely calm delivery. She's really good if you're just learning, or if you even if you haven't. She's got lots and lots of stitch tutorials. She's really well worth checking out. But so I can't wait for that. That's one thing. So yeah, I'm really over the moon to be doing that. I'm just I made some notes because I'm a bit tired. Probably look a bit tired. Yeah, I kind of touched on in my live broadcast that I had my first troll. I wasn't significant enough to have a troll before, so I guess I've arrived. I suppose that's one way of looking at it. I filed it where it belonged, really, in the bin. But I did want to kind of address a couple of bits that I just wanted to assure you that I appreciate every one of you and all of the things that that you've done and said to me, and that she was particularly acid about giveaways, but I just wanted to assure you that they're all above board. You know, I chose them with the random comment picker. It took me a while because it didn't always want to work for me. I think there might be more than one. I'm going to look into another one because it was pretty hit and miss. The other thing is, I believe I've fixed my sound. So you'll have to let me know if there's still trouble. But I managed to do the live the other day and everybody said they could hear me fine. So I'm hoping that that's now fixed. Width-wise, I'm making these squares. They're made with this Poundland yarn, which is variegated. So they are kind of coming out quite random. And I've made quite a lot of them. I don't really know how big I want to make this blanket, but I'm doing that. Also, I've got a few patterns here, and this one here is for twiddle muffs. And when my mother-in-law's in hospital, she's kind of doing this a lot with the sheet. So I figured that I was going to make her a twiddle muff. This one's knitted, but I'm sure there are crocheted versions everywhere. I've got a few patterns here I was going to do. There are things for stillborn babies. You know, if you make memory things for them. There's things for preemie babies. There's things for elderly people with dementia. Because I've got this community project that I'm trying to get off the ground and maybe do something with work for that as well. I'll show you the yarn. Excuse me. This is the yarn I'm using for my my project. I think the colours are beautiful in this. This is Poundland yarn. It's so soft and it's my favourite one. This colour scheme. I like it a lot. I've lost my notes now. I must have well, that's a challenge. Bear with me a sec. Drop my yarn on the floor. So where did that go? Aha. I don't think I've forgotten anything. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know about my yarn swap, because I'm really looking forward to that. I can't wait. I've always liked Glenda. She's one of the first sort of channels that I discovered on here. I didn't really need tutorials as such. It's funny, really. I hate following patterns. I find patterns really hard to read. Well, some are written well, but there are some that really are a challenge, aren't there? And they're not written very well at all. And so I was quite glad to find online patterns, tutorials, that sort of thing, for the odd thing that I fancied making. And the first kind of YouTube channels that I discovered, Glenda was one of them, and I think she's lovely. So yeah, and I also just wanted to say that I've been reading every one of your comments, and it's quite a challenge because there's been quite a lot, but they're all really, really encouraging, really positive, and just lovely. Not only to me and encouraging towards me and my channel, but the lovely things you're saying, really. It's actually about my mother-in-law in hospital. It's actually quite moving, so thank you very much. So that's basically my little update for you. So thank you very much, and if you're not already a subscriber, you know what to do, because it's the little thingamajig down there. Oh, my nails are growing nicely. I only just saw that. Look at that. Freddy Krueger. So yeah, thank you very much. If you haven't already subscribed, please do hit the notification bell, and you'll be informed when I have any of my crazy videos. So until next time, everyone, thank you very much. Bye for now.